Hi, today I will explain how to use a breadboard, and I will explain the connections of a breadboard. As you see, this is a breadboard and it has many holes, and we use this breadboard to connect circuit components, and the connections are like this. As you see, there are horizontal connections. These are horizontally connected. These 5 holes are horizontally connected, and there is a long vertical connection on these holes, and this line shows the connection. This violet and red line shows the connection, and this is the front page. This is the front view of the breadboard. This is the back view of the breadboard, and these are real breadboards. As you see, this is the front side and this is the back side. I have uncovered one breadboard. This is one breadboard. I have uncovered the back side to explain the connections. As you see, there are metal connectors for these 5 connections, and there are very long connectors. As you see, the metal, and it connects all holes of these. So there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 long cables. There are 2 here and 2 here, and there are many small metal connectors to connect these 5 holes. So if you want to connect 2 circuit components on this breadboard, for example, this is a simple resistor, you will insert like this, and you will insert the other terminal, another hole like this, and you have another component. And for example, assume you want to connect these 2 resistors in series. So you will touch one terminal like this, and you will not touch the other terminal of the resistor to the other resistor. So I have connected these 2 resistors in series now. As you see, they are connected in series. One terminals of them are touching and the others are not touching to each other. If you want to make a parallel connection, what you will do is something like this. Now they are connected in parallel. Both terminals of both components are touching to each other. Look. These holes are touching each other. These 5 holes are touching each other, and these 5 holes are touching each other. So these two resistors are connecting parallel now. And the common usage of these long wires are to supply some voltage. As you see, this is a 9-volt battery. It is a connector like this, connector socket, and if you make such a connection, this is the plus side, this is the minus side. Red is plus, black is minus. If you insert, as you see, there is a plus sign and there is a minus sign here. If you insert the plus side to this terminal, and if you insert the minus side to the other terminal, you can insert here, but I prefer inserting here. Now you can obtain 9 volts anywhere on this line, and you can obtain 0 volts anywhere on this line. So if you construct a complex circuit whenever you need a power connection, 9 volt, you can directly connect to here. Or whenever you need a 0 volt ground connection, you will directly connect here. For example, if you need to connect this terminal of the resistor to the 9 volts, you will do something like this. It's connected to 9 volt now. And for example, you want to make a voltage divider. You have two resistors, 9 volt battery, and now I have constructed a circuit. There is a current, there are some voltages on that circuit, and this is the ground. I assume this is the ground, 0 volt. This is 9 volts. One resistor connected in series with the other resistor now, like this. Okay.